Travis, I love you. From the moment we met, I felt a connection deeper than anything I've ever experienced. I wasn't looking for love, but you came into my life exactly when I needed you. You were sitting on the black couch across from my bed, and we ended up talking for hours. You had told me how you ate hamsters and marched to lunch while I told you about serving ribeyes and going to a commuter college. Our lives were completely different, even though we only lived an hour apart. It's pretty obvious that our relationship moved fast. Thanks to COVID, you moving in with me just a little over 2 months was not for the faint of heart. Our situation was unique and it brought us a lot of challenges, but I wouldn't change any of it. Because in that time, I got to learn who you really are. Your quirks, your routines, your level of cleanliness, how you confidently strut around in Uggs every day, the way you show love, the way you receive love, and everything in between. I think of the quote, "What's for you will always find you." And after almost 6 years and all of the challenges we have faced, love still led us right back to each other. The love you give me feels like a Hallmark movie or even straight out of a cheesy love song. With you, I never feel unloved. Your love is real and genuine, and because of that, you have taught me how to open up, how to let myself love. I feel deeply connected to you because of the personal, wholehearted love you have shown me. Even when we're apart, you were one of the first people I wanted to talk to after losing Megan. I'll never forget how hesitant I was reaching out, but I never regretted it. You eased my heart, even if only for a moment. I feel so lucky that I get to share her memory with you. It brings me comfort knowing she would love us together, and especially here today. For that, I am forever grateful. You have overcome many challenges, both before we met, since, and you handle everything with such strength. I'm extremely proud of you and all you have accomplished in your 28 years. I can't wait to celebrate you for the rest of our lives in big and small ways every single day. This past year has brought us heartbreak unlike anything I could have ever imagined, and yet there is still absolutely no one else I would want by my side through a pregnancy loss but you. Thank you for checking up on me even when we were apart, and for showing up in person when I felt like I needed you most, and for putting my feelings first even when you were carrying your own. Through the pain and grief we held each other up. That experience, devastating as it was, revealed something I already knew, that you were my person, my safe place, the one I want by my side through every joy and every challenge. Going through that together showed me the depth of our bond, the strength of our love, and the way we can hold each other through everything. It confirmed with every part of my heart why I want to spend the rest of my life with you, building a life together, celebrating together, and facing everything that comes our way together. Thank you for loving me in the way that you do, so fully, so effortlessly. Thank you for being there on the easy days and the hard days. Thank you for showing me all new movies and TV shows and playing Guess the Song with me in the car, even when you don't really like the way I play. Thank you for listening to me when I need to talk and taking the time to understand me, and for loving me and all the little things that make me who I am. Thank you for expanding my food palette and for showing me new adventures and making loving me feel so natural. Thank you for sticking by my side and being my ultimate best friend. I love you, and I'm so grateful for every part of us. I promise to love you deeply and to stand beside you and to always choose you. I promise to be your partner, your supporter, your safe place, and your home. No matter what life brings or where we will be, we will face it together. Today and always, I choose you, and I will keep choosing you every day.
Madison, the very first thing I noticed about you was your smile. So beautiful and kind. Unfortunately, it was on my phone. But fortunately, you saw something in me too. I never really expected much from Bumble, but thanks to that little yellow app, I found my best friend. You were funny, thoughtful, and intentional, and I knew I would regret it if we didn't meet in person. When that day finally came, I was so awkward, sitting halfway across the room, telling you about how I had to run to class on marble strips, march to lunch, and greet all upperclassmen by their full names and cadet jobs. It probably sounded kind of crazy, but you made me feel at ease anyway. You listened with actual interest and let me just be myself until I was comfortable enough to let my walls down and show you how goofy I actually am, which didn't take long. A few months later, something kind of big happened in the world, and I ended up basically moving in with you just 3 months into dating. It wasn't planned, but it felt right. Figuring each other out, sharing every moment, and surviving a pandemic together showed me a lot about you. I saw your thoughtfulness, your humor, and the way you do everything with intention. You inspire me to do the same, to be more present, more thoughtful, and just more me when I'm with you. Through all of that, one thing became clear. Wherever I am, when I'm with you, I feel at home. Even when we're long distance, you never feel far. Our connection has stayed steady, and now with that chapter nearing its end, I'm so excited to get back to all of the everyday moments with you that make life feel normal and fun. I know the Air Force is going to take us all over the world, new cities, new countries, and new adventures, and I'm really excited for everything life has in store for us. I can't wait to explore it all with you. And hopefully, somewhere along the way, we end up somewhere with mountains and snow, because I really want to ski with you again, even if we need to get you lessons from someone other than myself.
True.
We're obviously very different people, and I think that's part of what makes us work. I know you'll never love football the way I do, and I'll probably never love Taylor Swift or chicken fillet the way you do. But we do have our things together, and I love that. Whether it's brunch at Postino, collecting records, or just laughing over something small, those are our moments, and that's why being together just works. I'm excited to continue our traditions and start new ones. Decorating, cooking, reality TV nights, and whatever else we inevitably come up with. We'll keep the old ones and make new ones. Those routines, big or small, are what make life ours. In Madison, I'm really looking forward to starting a family with you. I want to build a home full of laughter and love, where our kids see how two people can genuinely enjoy each other even when we are different. And today, looking around, I can't help but smile that our wedding looks so different from the ones we've attended together. And that's perfect. It's us. A day as unique as our relationship, and exactly what we wanted. I promise to love you with intention, just like you love with intention. I promise to choose you every day, in the big moments and the small ones. I promise to laugh with you, listen to you, show up for you, and grow with you. I promise to stay soft, silly, steady, and yours. I promise to care for our family now and in the future with patience, devotion, and a full heart. And wherever life takes us, my home will always be with you. You are my partner, my teammate, my safe place, my favorite person. Today and every day after, I choose you.
I love you. Yay! Okay, now we
Yeah,
okay. Yeah,